shut up って本当に失礼ですか？ Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. この間、子供の英会話レッスンでね、shut up と言われました。まあ、子供ですからね、何を言ってるかちゃんと理解してないからですね。確かに、小学校の3年生の子供だったかな。漫画とかアニメとか、たまにはそういうなんていうのかな、そういうふざけた英語のセリフありますよね。まあとりあえず軽く、注意しましたけどね。Don't say that. That's not very nice. とちゃんと、言いましたよ。Shut up の基本的な意味は黙れ、静かにしろ。ものすごくきつい、言葉ですよね。でも今回紹介するのは、一味違う Shut up の使い方。全然失礼じゃない方なんですよね。今から英語です。So let's switch things up and get on with the lesson in English. Part 1, the basic meaning. So as I said in the intro, the basic meaning of shut up is a very rude way of saying be quiet. It's pretty well known, right? Of course, it comes from the verb to shut, which means to close, the opposite of open. The coffee shop shuts at 6 p.m. Can you shut the door? Shut your eyes and go to sleep. You guys are being so loud. Just shut the hell up for 1 minute. So that's the way of using shut up that everyone knows and loves. But let's talk about a completely different way to use it. Part 2. Shut up means マジで? So we can also use the expression shut up when we hear something shocking or unbelievable. In Japanese, you'd say マジで? 嘘でしょ? 本当に? Did you hear that John bought a Ferrari? Shut up! No, I saw it with my own eyes. Or here's another one. Keiko and Jun are getting married after knowing each other for only 3 months. Shut up! No, it's true. The pronunciation is like this. Shut up. Shut up. Notice the pronunciation of the last T is almost like a D, and it's connected to the U over here. Shut up. Shut up. Also, you have to say it like you don't believe what you just heard. So we don't say, shut up. You do say, shut up. Okay, say it after me 3 times, okay? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Part 3 is role play practice. Okay, so Mayumi is gonna be white and you are gonna be blue. Good luck.
Hi, how's it going? Oh, not too bad, thanks. No, what happened? Shut up! Shut up! Oh, and he was so gorgeous! What a shame!
Let's change parts. You are white and Mayumi is blue. Let's go.
Pretty good, thanks. How about you? Did you hear about my sister? She's getting a divorce. No, it's true. He was seeing another woman. Well, I guess it just wasn't meant to be.
It's homework time. Okay, I'm going to give you a Japanese sentence, or actually two sentences, and I want you to translate them into English. Leave them in the comments below, okay? この日本語を英語にしてくださいね。コメント欄のところに入れて、後でチェックしますので。Okay? So this is the Japanese sentence. It is マジでやばい。アメリカに転勤することになっちゃった。どうしよう。嘘でしょ。マジでThat's quite fun. So, please put this into the comments down below. あとは、何か聞きたいことがありましたらね、それもぜひぜひコメント欄のところに何でも聞いてくださいね。Okay? Good luck. I almost forgot. I promised Yohei Vlog that I would say this sentence that he asked me to say in my video. Okay, here goes. I have a career as a carrier and courier in Korea. There you go. Shut up! 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 Shut up!